Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Girls Guitar is probably one of the most rewarding musical journeys you can embark on, offering a fantastic creative outlet and a chance to express yourself through music. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect guitar tailored to your needs and preferences, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable learning experience, no matter your skill level or musical style preference. Number 5. Best Choice 30 inches Kids Acoustic Guitar. Everything you need to start playing is included. It comes with a case, extra strings, a strap, and picks. No extra purchases needed. It's designed for ease of playing. The nylon strings are gentle on little fingers, stay in tune, and sound beautiful. Made from durable hardwood with a lacquered finish, it looks, feels, and sounds like a full-size guitar, making learning comfortable. It has the iconic curves and sound of a classical acoustic guitar. The comfortable string spacing reduces fatigue. The perfect size for little hands to reach all the notes. It's available in various colors, so your child can find their perfect match. This guitar is 30 inches long, 10.5 inches wide, and 2.75 inches high, making it perfectly sized for young musicians. What we like? It includes everything you need to start playing right away, no extra purchases needed. The nylon strings are super easy on small hands and make learning a breeze. If you're a beginner or buying for a young child, this is a great option to start their musical journey. What people say? It came with a great quality and condition, approved, and I recommend it. The package typically includes the guitar, a gig bag, an extra set of strings, a pick, a strap, and an instruction booklet or online resources. This makes it convenient for beginners to get started right away without needing to purchase additional accessories separately. The digital tuner that comes with the guitar is a good one and super easy to use. It is going to make a huge difference in my level of enjoyment attention span to learn. Number 4. Pyle Beginner Acoustic Guitar Kit. It's everything you need to start playing right away. This all-in-one kit includes a gig bag, extra strings, picks, and more. At 36 inches, it's ideal for lessons, performances, or practice. The junior size is comfortable for both kids and adults. It features a linden wood body, birch headstock, and a beautiful sunburst finish. The attention to detail is evident in its construction. This guitar is perfect for beginners and children. Everything you need is included, so you can start playing straight out of the box. It has a 36-inch total length, 18 frets, and is made with high-quality linden wood and nylon strings. All the details are included in the specifications. What we like? This guitar is perfectly sized for younger players or those with smaller hands. It's beautifully handcrafted with quality materials, ensuring a great sound and feel. If you are looking for a high-quality instrument that's still beginner-friendly, this is the one for you. What people say? It's good for kids and adults. The nylon strings are good to get you started, but a set of steel strings will make it sound very nice. In tune with good strings, it can easily throw pleasant sound. The size of this guitar is perfect for 9 to 11-year-old children to hold properly. The quality is fine. It has a sturdy body, it looks great, it sounds fine. Number 3. ADM Beginner Acoustic Guitar. It's crafted with laminated basswood for the top, back, and sides. The maple rosewood fingerboard and bridge offer a comfortable playing experience. You'll appreciate the unique combination of nylon and steel strings. This guitar boasts a rich, full sound that surpasses cheaper beginner models. The arched back contributes to a longer sustain and enhanced resonance, making it a joy to play. It includes everything a new player needs to get started: a gig bag, picks, strap, tuner, extra strings, and even a month of online lessons. It's the ultimate all-in-one package. This 30-inch guitar is ideal for young players or students. Its smaller size makes it easier to handle and play, encouraging a love of music from the start. Please note that it arrives untuned to prevent shipping damage. New strings require time to settle, so expect to retune it frequently at first. It will hold its tune better after a few tunings. This guitar is more than just an instrument, it's a gateway to a world of musical expression. Begin your musical adventure with this exceptional beginner guitar. What we like? It boasts a surprisingly rich tone for a beginner guitar, far exceeding expectations. This comprehensive kit includes everything plus online lessons to get you started. If you want excellent sound quality and learning resources, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The quality of the guitar was very nice and it makes a good first guitar. The color of the B pattern was vibrant and it wasn't too big or too heavy for her. It's great for kids to learn on. The tone of the 3 bottom strings, E, A, D, is great. The action is also low, so very easy and fun to play. I would recommend this 30 guitar. Number 2. YOLOPARK 17 Kids Guitar. It's easy for little ones to learn on this toy ukulele. The accurate intonation and excellent strings make learning fun and easy. Made with high-quality nylon strings that are gentle on small hands. The unique design enhances the sound and makes it extra durable for years of play. This isn't just a toy, it's a tool for learning. It helps develop musical understanding, memory, and hand-eye coordination. Everything you need is included. It comes with a strap and tuning pegs, so you can start playing right away. Looking for a fun and educational present? This lightweight, non-toxic guitar makes a perfect birthday or holiday gift for kids. What we like? This isn't just a toy, it's a fun and durable introduction to music. It's designed to be easy for little ones to handle and encourages musical exploration. If you are looking for a fun and educational toy to spark a child's interest in music, this is a great option. What people say. This product is the perfect size for my 8-year-old. She loved the color and the accessories that came with it. She plays it all the time. This was an absolute hit with my 2-year son on his birthday. He loved it right out of the package. Came with everything and was easy for him to hold and play on his own. It's taken a few hits and it still looks good. Definitely a great birthday gift for a child due to the size. Sturdy, noisy enough to drive their parents crazy, bought by grandparents. Sturdy plastic, love the color pink, comes with 2 picks and it does tune. Number 1. Donner DSJ 100 Kids Guitar. It's a modified classic ST-style guitar, perfectly sized for young players. Weighing only 5.97 lb, it's easy for kids to handle and play. The neck length and fingerboard width are designed to fit most children. It's the perfect size for little hands to learn and grow with. Its ergonomic design and smooth matte finish prevents skin irritation, ensuring comfortable playing. Kids can enjoy playing all day long without discomfort. Don't let the size fool you. It has a rich, full sound, just like a full-sized guitar. The classic single-coil pickup is perfect for various musical styles. Everything you need to start playing is included: an amplifier, picks, cable, gig bag, strap, and extra strings. Plus, free online lessons are available. For increased string tension and pitch stability, consider tuning it 1 or 2 notes above standard tuning. This will improve the overall playing experience. What we like? This electric guitar is designed with kids in mind, lightweight and comfortable to play for extended periods. The included amp makes it easy to get started. If you want an electric guitar that's easy to play and comes with everything you need, this is a great choice. What people say. The tuners have to be tightened and the fret ends have to be filed a bit because they have somewhat sharp edges. Check on YouTube to see how easily this is corrected. The intonation was almost perfect and the action was set to a medium height. The body is 1.75 inch thick, and the paint is flawless on mine. The frets are uniform height, but very gritty. This will even out with a lot of play, or you can do what I did and polish them with steel wool when you change the strings. The strings are going to be so easy to play for my 4-year-old daughter. Now it does not have an adjustable truss rod, but it is made so well, it does not need one for now, hopefully stays that way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.